Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this video tutorial, I just want to show you really quickly how to remove distractions in Lightroom. For this example, we're going to remove this dog's collar and leash. But also I want to show you why it's really important to do this before using any masking or masking presets. And that's because you might end up that you get ghosting in your image. So let's say you've added masks. Here they all are up here, masks and brushing, to create this one-of-a-kind edit. And then you decide, actually, you want to remove this leash. Let me show you what can happen like this. So I've gone into Lightroom's Erase tool, and I'm just going to use the generative erase. I'm in Lightroom Classic right now. I'm just drawing around these areas. Make sure that you pick up shadows in your selection as well, otherwise Lightroom won't remove them. So any shadows from the object that you need to remove, make sure that you have included those and you brushed over them. And let's click remove. And you can see there Lightroom's done a great job of removing the leash, but we now have ghosting left behind from where the leash was coming up here and where the leash collar was there. The areas on the subject are fine, but anything outside of the subject bounds has shown us areas like this, and that is because the image has masking. So here's our original. The masks you can see are based on background. It has a subject, and you can see that also includes the subject's leash. Any masks that include just the subject also include the leash. So you've removed that leash, but Lightroom has not updated the masks. So I'd like to show you a few workarounds for this ghosting effect in Lightroom. The best workaround is to start before you edit your image. So open your image up, change the exposure if you need to. You can change, you can edit anything, just don't add masks. That's, I think, the key here. Don't add masks, especially masks that recognize your background or subject. So I'm just going over as we did before, using Lightroom's remove. This is terrible selection. I do apologise, but it's okay because Lightroom's going to get it. And you can hold down Alt to remove anything from your selection to tailor it in if you wanted to at any point to get that really good, and hit remove. The same goes for if you're using Lightroom's Erase tool, Heal tool or Clone tool, any form of removing in Lightroom. If you're going to use presets, mask presets, do this first. And now you can see we've got no ghosting, and you can go ahead and edit your image. But what if you've already edited your image first and you've ended up removing an area and you've got these ghosting? The fastest way to do this would be to open up another image on your computer in Lightroom. Any image will do. Another image here by Amanda Voller. Select your original image, even if it's got the ghosting. Hold down Control or Command and select another image. And then hit sync. And what that's going to do is going to take all the presets and masks from one image and put them over to another. Do not sync any painting, just sync the masks. So that's just synchronizing across now. I did have a lot of masks on here, a lot of background and subject masks. So it says it's going to take around 5 seconds. And what that's done now is applied to the edit to another image. So I can deselect, go back on my image with the ghosting, right click and choose Develop Settings, Reset. You might just have settings on yours. And now we can reverse what we just did. You can go ahead, you can change the exposure, you can remove the leash. But now you can click on the image that you've added these settings to. It might look bizarre because you've added settings for a completely different image. Hold down Control or Command, back on your original and hit sync. And what you're doing is you're putting all these presets back on there. I only recommend doing this if you have already done a really big edit and you think, oh, I don't want to start over again. So now you can see this is applying the presets back with a clean look and you do not have any ghosting, whereas before we got the ghosting. We remove the lead and no ghosting. Perfect. So that's just one tip that I like to use when I am, if I forget to remove something in Lightroom. That's how you can avoid that weird ghosting. I hope this helps. That's a fast workaround. Best thing to do though is to do your removals fast. This is only if you forgot to do it. And only if you notice weird ghosting. If the object you're removing is within your subject bounds or within your background bounds, it's fine. It's only if it crosses between the two. I hope this helps. This was using the LSP Actions Wild Spirit presets for dogs, animals, equine and wildlife. Beautiful images up on my screen here by Amanda Voller. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.